In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to send encrypted emails using Protonmail. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Protonmail like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go up to new message to create a new mail. Then from here, you'll need to add in the to, and you can either add as a contact over here, you can add CC recipient or BCC recipients over here, or you can add in manually. Then from here, you'll need to add in the subject and the mail you'll need to insert. Then from here, if you want to make it encrypted, you'll need to go down to this locket down here called external encryption. And here you'll be able to add in a password, and you can also copy it onto your clipboard, and you can give it a hint down here, which is optional. Then from here, you can set encryption, and you also need to be aware that it needs to be a minimum of 8 characters. And as you can see, password has been set successfully. You can also down here in these 3 dots called more options, go up here and set expiration time, and you can set the date to where the email should be deleted over to the recipient's email address. Then from here, you can just click send right here. And as you can see, sending message sent. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!